Today guys, I will show you how to join Reddit contributor program. So just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Reddit like this. And here guys, it will open on the home page. So go and click here on the profile icon. Then click on contributor program. And after that, when you see this, you have to you know how it works. You have to read all of this, earn 1000 gold and 100 new come after any your first gold live, and yeah, account age. And then when you are enabled to join the program, you just have to click get verified to start earning, and that's all guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And